I'm getting the same old maps, lads.
It's your mother's dwelling.
No, I didn't say the same old flaps.
It's terrible racist. Like,
And
oh,
the
it's a
great
piggy, it's a piggy,
Tail race.
it's a piggy.
Who got on the Jenny?
Me.
Where's Piggy?
Oh, there she is. There she is.
See ya? Oh, she's gonna. She's. Oh, she sees.
Yes, boys, yes. Take the fucking bait.
Where'd she go running?
Is she on you, Wayne?
I went
They
there.
went by me with the knife.
Yeah, she
I did a quick vault, Andy.
lunged.
Basement is in the shack. I repeat, basement is in the shack.
She didn't wreck this Jenny, goes no.
Is she still over there?
Can't see her.
Oh, she's crouched, is she? She's not trying to show you.
She's always crouched, Andy.
Here.
She is though, you fucking sap.
I don't know.
She's over by me. She's over by me. I heard her. Oh, Brett. Off behind me. Just turned around and I see her going past. Fucking hell.
Suppose
That was actually-
you're used
that
to
was
hearing
actually
breath on
deadly.
your neck, aren't you? Andy, what'd you do that for?
She's heading back your way, right?
Andy just blew the Jenny, that's why.
Yeah, she was already turned
She's
around.
right beside me at the shack. She's heading back to where we all started.
Yeah.
Little Miss Piggy, bitch.
Heartbeat.
Why do you? Used to hate that bleeding program on the old telly box.
Fucking Sunday evening school next
Oh,
day.
stop. Nothing more depressing, was it?
Oh,
Heartbeat.
Oh, who fucking.
She's gone back, she's gone back. Come on, Andy, get back and clean up your
Around
mess.
me.
2/3 of the way through.
She's around the shack, boys. She's around here. Still around the shack somewhere.
I'll be completing this Jenny in about 10
Panic
seconds.
and like it.
Same here.
Nice, boys, nice.
We went back for that one. Got fucked
Oh.
up.
Forgetting about me fucking tinker.
Jib Coach.
So I'll have the location of 3 tokens.
Do we know where she is?
Hey,
This one isn't a hex.
Oh, there she is, there she is. She's over where you just popped that Jenny, Rob.
Okay, I'm getting into work or something.
She's around the next Jenny that was close.
Robbie, on
Yeah,
that.
yeah, just as when I got off this fucking thing, the totem is right beside the locker I'm in.
Who's on this?
She was just here a second ago, lads. Don't know where she's gone now.
Right, don't pop it. Leave this Johnny for Rob. Pop. Right,
This
stop, stop. Yeah. Drop
You know you're on it.
it. You see?
Keeps taking me off the Jennies. What's going on?
You're looking back, you sap.
She's waving, what the fuck are you waving at?
Oh, Prime Minister up ahead on. Okay.
Rob, after you get that, come to me on this Jenny here. Over
I actually.
clockwise.
Rob. Robbie.
Where's that?
Bark at me, your mum need to fucking know something. Robbie, you fucking parrot, you. Jenny at the shack is fucking
What?
99.
Right, Grant, leave it as it is for now. I've 2 other tokens that I know the location of, so I'm taking them out of it.
He's looking around the shack. Ollie, piss off, one on.
Ryan, 99 that we want. And I'll
Okay.
just then focus on clearing all the...
She has left the one at the shack, so I'm going to go back and stop her aggressing.
Right, don't go too far, Rob, so you can come back and get this.
Oh no. Oh no. Good. Crouch on. She's see me? Oh my god, she's walked past it.
I'm on the third.
Right, Rob, this one's done.
Oh.
Ready for you.
Lads,
The
lads.
third open here.
Oh, lads, she's alive.
Right, go back and get that Jenny, Rob.
Yeah, I'm good.
I started another one, but I'm gonna bunny hop it and go to it and look for another one.
Lads, oh my god, how she did not see me is beyond.
Yeah, I'm not actually seeing any more totems this side of the map, so
Right, up ahead, coming from clockwise position, Rob.
cool.
Right, Robbie, that's 99 again. Let's go there.
Yeah, I'm heading that way.
Oh, she's heading to that now, Rob. Anyone want to go for the one on the inside?
Yeah.
I'm on now.
Upstairs.
Yeah. Get them off you. Surprise, crack.
I have bombed on you, Tard.
This scared the shit out of you.
I could see you there.
You weren't even paying attention to it. Ammunition right from your right shoulder.
Mine's halfway done.
I didn't get it yet.
And the 99 those Johnny.
Yeah,
99 though.
yeah,
This
don't
is the
pop them.
fifth. This is the fifth.
Well,
totem.
Rob,
maybe have one
that's
pop.
the main.
Don't-
that's
Andy, I
the
think that's you right beside me, Andy.
Rob, you need to start making your way to the main building.
Yeah,
What
I
am I
know.
doing? 99 or pop them?
Yeah, 99 Andy, if that's you right there.
Well, Rob, we have one here ready to go.
I'm off it, Ryan, I'm off it.
Yep, same here. Main building, Rob, upstairs on the balcony. It's ready to go.
Andy, there she is. She's coming this way.
Uh-oh. Looking around the back walls. She's having a nut.
She's on me.
Right, Rob, get up here and get this.
On the way, yeah.
And then we look for the doors, Wayne. Go, 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 go.
Damn.
Pop it so we can see a door, Rob.
Oh, she's trapping. In Trappy McParty hat.
Right, I'm going for the far right one.
I can't see any more totems, so.
I'm
Oh,
going
she's
for the
on
far
that.
right one.
Right, she's gone to bring Andy up towards one door there. And the hatch is here as well.
I bet I got on the door, but I got off it for a second because she said she was coming from.
See where Andy's from?
I see it now. There's a door there. Right, I'm at the other door.
I'm gonna go up onto the fucking main building there.
Andy,
first
you hang there. You're
floor,
gonna get this door a bit open, right?
Come on
And
my
keep
way.
an eye
Come on
on
my
it,
way.
see if I can keep
Premonition my way.
Andy, do I get you now and take? Let you go. Actually, hang there, Andy. To get this
Yeah,
open.
she's over by my door, lads.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
pop
coming
as
to
well.
Andy. I'm coming to Andy.
Oh, should have seen
And
me.
You're right there as well. Okay, Wayne.
Should have seen me.
Andy, Wayne,
Oh, Andy, Andy, that hatch is here.
Where?
That hatch is over here. Look, come here, come here.
Wayne, are you at a door?
I was at a door, but I got hit.
I need to get out because she has the one hit down on me. Don't show her the hatch. Ryan, you jump out anyway.
I can't. I haven't got the door open.
Okay, here.
Okay, but she's over here. She's over here.
I'm back on the door. I'm back on the door.
On the hill, the hatch is on the hill.
It's halfway.
Where's
Right.
the fucking hatch?
I have my door open. I have my door open.
You're good, lad. She's a good. She's just after coming past me.
Right.
Okay, but I have to get out now, Andy. Mind your door open.
This door is open and I'm in the door healing.
Andy, just hang around that area. You'll hear them.
Rob,
Right,
keep
go on,
coming
go on,
to
go
your
on.
left a bit. You make the door.
She's moving back in.
Come on.
Ryan, you talking to me left, yeah?
Was that you? I
Ryan,
thought.
you talking to me.
Now just go as quick as you can, lads.
Oh, right. I won't hear.
Go as quick as you can.
Where's the fucking door, man? You flick on me and tell me where it is.
Hang on. I hadn't left yet, Wayne. Right.
Last.
Ah, she has me.
Where are you now? I've lost you. Are they?
Get the fuck out. I'm way at the
I
hatch.
can't, I don't know where the fucking door is. Right, just go to the left. I ran to
Yeah,
the
but
left.
you were running. Yeah, but you ran past
Right,
it, Wayne.
behind you. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wayne, you told me there just a second ago that you weren't even out of the game yet.
Yeah, but I
Oh,
seen you bond,
Andy,
Wayne.
move back behind you, Andy. Move back behind you.
Wayne,
Yes, I
You
seen
swing
you
around to
with
the left
Bond.
there.
You were running across. I said go left. Wayne has.
I'm gonna, Andy,
Come on, get the fuck out, left. You're gonna blow.
Right, Wayne. I don't know where you are now. Right, straight ahead, Wayne. Straight. Where's the last Jenny
I'm
we
going to
did?
go out the door, I fucking
Come
open.
on, the fuck.
Andy, I'm on the fucking way, man. There's what we can do.
There, to the right, Wayne. To the right.
She has me.
She doesn't, Andy. You're all right. You're all right.
Are you at the hatch, Andy?
What?
He is just
He's
straight
at the
on.
hatch. Keep going.
Probably not gonna survive because of the fucking. And just stand on the hatch.
Yes.
Thank fuck for that. Jesus.
Ooh. That was close.
Oh my fuck.
That was close.
A celebration there.
Yeah.
Look at his score. And look what he had, lads. Look at him, lads. Look what he had.
We got to sneak.
We fucking destroyed him with the
And
no.
no one had. Yeah. Oh. Nurse is calling. Devour hope.